What's going on, everybody? I'm Eric with Morse 4x4 Center, and you guys out there with lifted Jeeps or trucks, you guys will know that it's a lot more difficult to hop up into your vehicle once you've got that lift and the bigger tires. And if you're looking for help to get into your Jeep, you've definitely clicked on the right video, because today we're talking about the N-FAB wheel-to-wheel Nerf steps, which you see here before me. Now, just a little disclaimer before we continue. This little black box right here, I know somebody's going to point it out. This is a micrometer box, just help prop these up. This does not come with the steps, so just a little disclaimer there. But anyways, so what's great about these N-FAB steps is, as you can see, it's got these drop-down stirrups right here. Now, these provide a 5-inch drop, so you're going to gain that much more when hopping up into your vehicle. So they're super helpful. Makes it much more easier to get up into your vehicle, especially when it's lifted. Now, what I really like about these steps is it does add a little bit of safety when you're trying to hop up into a tall vehicle. As you can see right here, the steps have a nice ribbed pattern to it, so it provides a lot of extra grip so you're not going to slip, especially if you're out there, you're playing in the dirt or the mud or anything like that. Your feet can get wet. It provides a lot more traction, so if your shoes are slippery, you won't have to worry about falling off of these steps. I know there have been some injuries out there on some of those rubberized steps. I've had a lot of customers actually break ankles because they slipped right off and their leg got caught in between their Jeep and their step. It's kind of creepy thinking about that, but definitely a lot more safety when you add these steps to your vehicle. All right, so let's go over the construction of these steps. Now, the tubing has a 0.84 of an inch wall diameter, so super thick. These are really sturdy. There's not a lot of flex going on here. And the main tube itself is a 3-inch diameter, so it gets that really nice beefy look, but not too overbearing. And then, of course, you've got the steps right here, and these are going to come in 3 different finishes. You've got what I have here before me is the textured black, and they also come in a satin black and also polished stainless steel. So definitely a lot of options depending on what look you're trying to go to. They will definitely have all your bases covered so you can get that right look and have your Jeep looking fresh. Now, in terms of installation, these are actually pretty simple. These are all going to be bolt-on. Now, for you Wrangler owners out there, if you have a Rubicon that came stock with the rock rails, you will have to remove those, unfortunately, because these are going to use the same mounting holes as the factory Rubicon rock rails and side steps. So just keep that in mind. Now, these are definitely all bolt-on. They bolt not only to the undercarriage of the vehicle, but they also incorporate into the pinch seam as well, so they're super sturdy. When you step on these, there's no flex whatsoever. These can actually support up to 465 pounds, so very, very sturdy, a great construction. Now, talking about that installation, again, these are bolt-on. They're pretty long and they're a little bit heavy. I'm going to go ahead and rate these 2 out of 3 on our mall crawler scale of difficulty. Now, again, they are bolt-on. Pretty much anybody can do it, but you probably are going to need an extra helping hand, and that's pretty much it, just to make the installation go a little bit easier and safer. You don't want to be dropping these down on your face when you're lying underneath your vehicle. So just a little bit of word of caution on that one. All right, so that pretty much wraps it up for the N-FAB wheel-to-wheel Nerf steps. Definitely a great addition. Again, if you need that extra leg up into your vehicle, these are perfectly great. They got that 5-inch drop step on there, so it's very, very handy and very safe to help you get into your vehicle and looking good with those big, 40-inch tires and that 6-inch lift. So, guys, of course, you can see these on our website, morse4x4center.com. We have all of the N-FAB products on there, and you can see it for all the different vehicles that are offered. Again, it's not just for Jeeps. They also offer it for trucks too. Ford, Dodge, Chevy, even Toyotas, all the GM models as well. So definitely take a look if you need that extra leg up. Now, guys, if you haven't already, there's a little subscribe button right over here. Definitely click on our logo. You'll subscribe to YouTube. Follow us on all the social media as well. We post tons of content every day. We don't want you guys to miss out on any of that. And of course, you can communicate with us on social media as well. We'd love to talk and hear from you guys. Now, I want to thank you for watching this video. I'm Eric with Morse 4x4 Center, and I hope to see you guys out on the trail.